Hello everyone and welcome to another Wix tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to add a Wix website on Bing Webmaster tools. Before we go straight to the point, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, it helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And off we go. Step number 1, access Bing Webmaster tools. So what this means is you're going to go to bing.com/webmasters. Once you come to this screen, you are going to click the drop-down menu on the left and you are going to say add a site. Now, once you click on add a site, there are two ways to do this. Option number 1 is to simply import your Wix website from Google Search Console, assuming you have a Google Search Console. And option number 2 is to add your site manually. We are going to go through both options, and we're going to start with the manual option, which is the easiest in my opinion. What you're going to do here is you're going to say under add your site manually, you're going to paste the domain of your website. So you're going to copy the domain of your website and paste it here. For the purpose of this example, we're going to use a test domain, and you're going to click on add. Once you click on add, the system would like to verify if you are the owner of the site. What you need to do is to click on HTML tag, and you need to copy this HTML tag. Now that the tag is copied, we navigate to the back of our Wix website, to the backend of our Wix website. Now that we are here, we need to go to site verification. The easiest way to do it is to use the search bar on the top and look for site verification and simply select site verification. Now, here under site verification, you already see Bing Webmaster tools. Before we go there, you can find site verification also from the left-hand side menu. Under site and mobile app drop-down menu, you go to website and SEO, you click on SEO, and then you select site verification. Now we click on Bing Webmaster tools here, and we paste this HTML tag here, and don't forget to click on save. Once you paste and you click on save, you can come back to Bing Webmaster tools and you're going to click on verify. And that's it. That's how easy it is to add a Wix website on Bing Webmaster tools using the manual method. Now, for those of you who have already a Wix website on Google Search Console, what is the alternative? Very easy as well. We click on the drop-down menu, we say add the site, and in this case we're going to import from Google Search Console. So we're going to click import, we're going to continue. Now the system obviously will need you to sign up. So we're going to sign up, we're going to allow access. And now that we signed up and allowed access, all we have to do is to simply click on a website that we have access on and is already in the Search Console and click import. And that's all that you have to do to add a Wix website on Bing Webmaster tools. Now, whether you import or whether you add the site manually, it is exactly the same thing. There is no difference. The whole point here is that the system is trying to understand whether you have access to that domain, right? So both options are exactly the same. There is no difference in the end outcome. I think for those of you who are getting started, it is probably easier to go with the manual option, but that's your choice. That's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a brand new Bing Webmaster tools to play around with, and see you in the next video. Bye everyone.